Hey guys, it's Emily. I'm going to, well, yeah, just whatever. You guys know what I'm doing. I am currently waiting on Tony to get back from school so we can take our fan back because we bought a heater to work as like an air conditioner because my room is so hot. And so when we turn it down to 60, it won't stay on. So I'm breathing heavy because I went up the steps, but we had to take that back today. And basically I'm just waiting on him to get back, and he's taking forever, but then I will get back with you guys when we are taking that back. So see you later. We almost died on camera.
Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got nothing, nigga, trying to play the part. Just cause you got a heart, don't mean you got a heart. I could be standing in the field and he still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had it there. Lately you keep questioning what you get out of there. Doing things to make you feel the way I make you feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home?
Since Tony bought a heater,
Maybe take a couple sick days.
I'm trying to blame it on me. I was in that thing
turn, why? It's cool.
No, we was doing
From Lil Wayne to Jay-Z.
some type of little music thing. Like you pick 2 lines out of the song,
104.1.
and she put up a flashcard of like a word, and you gotta act out that word using your
You had to act in front of all those people?
Yeah. I was going crazy.
Why'd you have to act?
I did Terrified.
How did you do Terrified like that?
I did
Did somebody guess it?
Seductive. I seduced this girl in class.
What?
I had to seduce this girl in class.
I thought you said I had to kiss this girl in class. I said, okay, well, this is hurting my hand because it's heavy. Like, are you trying to go out to eat? I want some pancake.
Pancake.
Yeah, pancake.
It's 3 o'clock.
So, I eat breakfast for dinner sometimes. Especially chocolate chip waffles and pancakes.
If you want no pancakes, you should have opened you up in the morning.
You would have cooked me pancakes in the morning.
Denny's right up the road.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Okay, so listen to this. It is, what time was it? 12:10. And Tony tried to get out of bed 3 times because he couldn't get out of bed. And he's saying that he can go get me pancakes at, what, 8? If you can't even get up at 12, how are you going to get up at 8? Huh? You couldn't. You really couldn't.
You didn't try.
Huh?
You didn't try.
Because I didn't wait. I woke up at 10.
Okay.
And you were...
What's wrong with breakfast at 10?
Nothing. But I know you wouldn't have woke up.
You didn't try.
You would have literally told me to leave your room.
You didn't try, so you don't know.
I mean, okay. Took the heater back. Got a tripod, but it's even heavier than what I was expecting. But hey guys, it's Emily. And what? I'm such a dumb. Oh! Yeah. so grossed out.
Stuck it in the door to get the door closed.
You stuck it with your fingers in it? Weak.
I'm dead. I hate my life.
Okay, anyways, we are on our way to get the puppy. Are you excited? Lydia, are you excited?
I'm so mad. Emily, I have Barbies.
On a blanket.
Get me a picture with her really quick.
Okay. Puppy! Cow. Oh.